Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a brand new conversion, rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Take this to the ground, tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry. Does taper down to about 33 inches here at the base. So you get a 33-inch wide wheelchair at the base end. Got 8 tie-down points, so you can get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good. You got your rear air controls. Between that second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. If you need more room, we can always take a seat out to create that extra room. We have seats that'll flip up on their sides. We can install those. Let us know what you need. There's no one size fits all, and of course, a lot of times the legs will just sit in between the chairs, the bottom will sit slightly behind them. So let us know what you need, let us know your measurements. We can do our best to customize this van to meet your needs. The dash looks great. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Your backup camera can sync your phone to this van, all kinds of modern technology. Dual climate control, rear air controls. Got your plugs there at the bottom. Cup holders, also cup holders in the door, so plenty of cup holders in here. We do give a free set of pull-tight Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, look there, 1 finger. That's all it takes. A great option versus those super electric ramps and doors that break down. They can be thousands of dollars to fix. These are very reliable, very low cost to maintain, and very easy to do. Give it a good slam there as I do a walk around to the van. Tinted windows in the rear. Has 4 Michelin tires on it. The rear ones are about 8 to 9, 30 seconds, darn near brand new condition. The front ones are about 5, 30 seconds. They're getting a little worn. They'll need replaced sometime, in the future, but still have a little bit of tread left on them. The body's very clean. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very clean, been very well taken care of. Everything up on the roof looks good. As I open the door, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. Always make sure you see a video of that VIN number so you're not getting scammed like on the internet. Speaking of that VIN number, we give a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. This one shows no accidents or damage, 1 owner. Last owned in Florida, so not salty area. No rust, snow, etc. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Guarantee no total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage, no open recalls. It does show the basic warranty has expired, but shows it's still under the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And it shows the powertrain warranty will go about 28 more months, or till the odometer hits 60,000 miles. Also, check out our reputation. No matter who you're buying from, check out their reputation. Who you're buying from. We've got a 4.8 out of 5-star review on Google. Check us out on eBay. We have 826 transactions. No one has ever left negative reviews for us. That's 826 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. If you think all sellers and all dealers are the same, you are sadly mistaken. Okay, the rest of the interior of the vehicle is very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Got your owner's manual in there. Over here on the driver's side, got all 4 of the windows. I'll show you those in a minute. Very clean interior. When you go to turn the van on, we've got 1 key. If you want to get an additional key made at your cost, those are $199. Current mile is 41,738. You can see there's no check engine lights on, no dummy lights. Got a full tank of gas at the moment. That might vary after some test drives. Backup camera. All the interior is very clean. And we don't just throw these vehicles on the lot. We test everything, big and small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Get power mirror over there. Heat, air, cruise. We test everything. We check the oil. Check all the fluids, we replace as necessary. It's even got these back vents back here. You can see that vent opening up, that vent shutting down. Let's check underneath the hood and see what we're looking at. Underneath the hood is 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage. Showed you the emission sticker there, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, we're going to see much of the same. Look how clean that is. No signs of bent metal from an accident that someone tried to cover up. I don't see any signs of any rust or anything like that. It looks great. And you know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's a 2019, they assume because it only got 40,000 miles on it, they assume because it looks nice in pictures and the salesman's nice to them, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. Go look at my competition. Go to their website. I'm okay with that. Go look at them right now. Do they have pictures, much less a video of the undercarriage? Do they have a Carfax report? Do they have a great reputation? They show you about it? You know, you're just going to send $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 across the country and hope the person's being honest? Boy, I'm in this business. Good luck to you. Good luck. You're going to need it. Demand a detailed video like this. Know who you're buying from. If someone has a bad reputation on the internet, you're probably going to be one of those people that's having issues with them. So, you know, if you don't demand a detailed video, you're asking for problems. When that van gets there and it's not what you expected, I can assure you, you're probably going to have some problems. So, we go the extra mile to show you everything you're getting with our great reputation in our video. So, let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure this van is roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, drives very nice down the highway. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to like 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about those and protect your investment, folks. At least get that 90-day warranty. Also keep in mind, a lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about, what they hide from you, is all their hidden fees. The administrative fee, document fee, tag fee. They've got a $500 fee here, $200 there. Then you got to factor in shipping, and next thing you know, that real nice price online just jumped about $3 grand. My question to you is, if someone's telling you a price on the internet, or however they're telling you, $30,000, shouldn't it be $30,000? Not $30,500, not $31,000 after fees, $30,000. And my other question is, if they're hiding money from you, if they're not telling you the real price of the vehicle, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues, flood damage, title issues, a salvage title, mechanical issues? No, I don't know. I just know when I walk into a place and they're not being honest with me from the start, they're being deceitful, try to add all these hidden fees, there's probably something else they're hiding. So that's for you to decide, you know, on that. It's your money, but I'm just warning you right now. People that aren't up front, the typical used car dealers, there's a reason they have the reputation they do. It's unfortunate, but it is. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. Give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to the phone number. The number I just gave you is my cell phone number. I am the owner. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call the competition, Mobility Works, Freedom Motors, VMI, Braun, all those big dealers, United Access. Ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? So talk to those big companies, see if they'll give you the owner's cell phone number, or do they expect you to just be a number, just another sale to them where they don't know your name, the owner has no idea who you are. So check them out. Ask them if they'll give you the owner's cell phone number. Also keep in mind, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or to your email address. And if you're not real tech savvy, that's okay. Call me up. We'll take an application over the phone. We'll walk you through it. It's not a big deal. You're not harming anybody. Give me a call. We'll take care of you. And if you want to see our entire inventory with detailed videos, Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures just like this, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country. We've done it many times. Talk to me about that. Let me help with that. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.